Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are gaining some value. Don't forget to ask your question in the comment section. I'll be glad and excited to answer them. So today's topic is how to calculate your lot size on gold. Now, I gave an example here. I was trying to draw one here for you. Now, let's assume that we have an entry here and we are using our swing point entry format, which our entry would have been around here. The three candle 1, 2, 3 have been created. And assuming that I had used my short position here as my form of trade, can you see, guys? I had used my short position. I had used my short position around, where's my short position around here? And put my stop loss above here, right? Many of you will shout, oh my God, how can my stop loss be 1,000 and something? Oh my God, I can't take that trade. Well, you are wrong. Your focus should be on this middle value, 1,012. That is your stop loss. Now, don't be afraid. Many of you will shout, oh my God, I can't use that amount of stop loss. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Relax. Now, if you go on your Chrome or whatever phone that you are holding, you're going to tap on my forex book calculator. We all know that this my forex book is used to read news. We are told that we should want to check our news or monitor the news. We should come to my forex book calculator. Now, if you scroll down, sorry, my forex book, you will see what they call forex calculator. Can you see it here? Forex calculator. I say it again. You scroll down, you see what they call forex calculator. You tap on it. When you tap on it, you will see currency converter, you will see pip convert calculator, you will see magic calculator, you will see Fibonacci, you will see compound calculator for those that want to compound their money and grow it gradually. It just depends on you. But your main focus should be on this one, position size calculator. When you tap on it, you will see it like this. You will see currency pair, you will see account currency, account size, risk ratio, stop loss pips, lot size. You are going to type in XAUUSD as gold. Do you see that? For gold. And you observe, because you did that for gold, this came out as 0.001. Please, I beg again, do not touch this lower value. Do not touch this. Don't touch this value. Leave it alone. You have no business there. Leave it alone. Don't touch it. Leave it at 0.001. Now, let's assume you are trading a $10,000 profit and you want to reach just 1% of your account. If you go back to your account, you can see that here it is 1,012, right? You come here and you put 1,012. I will say it again. Do not touch this down section. You have no business there. Don't touch it. Leave it alone. And you tap calculate. And it's telling you that now, to be able to trade that account, you just need 0.1 lot size. You just need 0.1 lot size. Let's assume again another example that you're about to buy. This is a sell, and I'm going to use my long position to buy. And I put it here, and I put my stop loss around here, and I put my take profit around here, an assumption. If you look at it very well, I have 1,451. I'll go to my calculator again and put 1,451, and I will do what? Calculate. And what can you see? That's giving me 0.07. Can you see it yourself, guys? 0.07. Focus on the middle value. This middle, I never said this extreme end. I said this middle. All your attention should be on the middle. Focus on that middle value and use my forex book calculator, and you are good to go. Now, another situation is this. You can double tap on this long position and put your long size here, your lot size. You can see I tapped on the long, I double tapped. I'll do it again. I double tapped with my mouse. I double tapped on this and this came out. And I'm risking what? I want to risk 2% of my account. 0. Okay, that's 2% of my account here. And you can see, right? And put all my tick and just say okay. Do you see? Or 3%. You can also use that to set your long or short position. It all depends on how you want to set it and the lot size you want to use on the account. That depends on how you want to set this session. But what I always encourage people to use that upcoming in trading of gold It's just to use my forex calculator and have a peace of mind. I will say it again, don't touch this down value, leave it alone. You just come here and put in the exact value you see on the middle. I will say it again, on this middle. Can you see this middle? Can you see this middle value? 1,451. Your focus should be on the middle, and that's how you know your pips. Some people go and take in ruler and rule it and measure the same thing. Your pips is what? This whole pips is 5,939 pips. Do you see that? Some people tell you gold is done with points. It all depends on how you understand it. But the simplest way and the straightforward and direct way, what I'm showing you, so you don't have to go through all the whole stress and booze and booze and booze and wasting so much of your time. So don't forget to subscribe on my channel, ask me questions. I'm always excited to share my knowledge with all of you. We are learning from each other and we are all a work in progress. Ask your question and subscribe on my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.